Hello, welcome to this spectacular 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home located in the heart of the Inner Sunset District, walking distance to the heart of Irving and UCSF. This is located on a very quiet street. This is the front of the building. Here's the garage door. It does come with one parking spot. This home has been recently painted on the exterior. You have your mailbox on the right, Ring doorbell. Here's looking towards the front. Okay, and here we are into this grand foyer. It is open to a seating area, living room. Here's the front door, and we're going to start this tour off upstairs. There are amazing details in this home, including a stained glass window, built-in bench seating, beautiful woodwork, hardwood floors throughout this entire space. There's also a nice skylight here in the hallway, so you have lots of natural light. Here's the first bedroom. It faces the street, but it is very quiet. This room fits a king-size bed. Here's the view from the bedroom. And there is a sizable closet in here as well. Okay, and this can be delivered furnished or unfurnished. The second bedroom is pretty equal in size. You have beautiful stained glass windows up on top. There is a pocket door separating these two rooms. You have a similar view outside this bedroom. Lots of cabinet and storage space in this home, and there is a closet in here as well. Here's a beautiful bathroom. Lots of storage space here. Huge linen closet. And down the hall just a little bit here to the left is the water closet. So you have a toilet and separate from the bathroom as well. Here's the master suite. This is a spectacular bedroom with amazing city views. You have a fireplace. It's a bay window with bench seating. Fits a king-size bed and so much more. Here's the view from the bedroom. Look at this view. It is just a beautiful, beautiful view. There is a shared yard and a private deck. Huge walk-in closet behind that door. And one of the lovely features of this master suite is there is a remote. So you can take the shades down. You also have direct access to a magnificent bathroom. This is a spa-like bathroom with separate shower with glass enclosure. There's a double-headed shower. Nice big counters, lots of storage space, beautiful bathtub, and you can enjoy the view as well. There's also a huge closet in here as well, and a separate room for the toilet. Okay, now just outside the master bedroom, you have private laundry machines. These are very large, stackable front loader machines. Here's looking at the stained glass window, the skylight, beautiful light fixtures. Now let's go downstairs. I'm going to show you the common areas of this home. Here is the foyer. There's the front door. Grand living room facing the street, but it is very quiet. It is very large. Beautiful wood floors throughout. There's also a very intimate seating area here with fireplace and built-in shelving. Through the doors on the left is a half bath, which is convenient for guests. This layout is wonderful. Here is the formal dining room. You have built-in buffets, plenty of space for a very large dining table, and there's an amazing light fixture here as well. The dining room is located towards the rear of the building, overlooking your private deck. Now here's the kitchen. This is an amazing kitchen. You have space here for an office for those who work from home, and lots of counter space. There is designer range, refrigerator, double oven, dishwasher, kitchen island. Great for entertaining. The kitchen office area leads to this private deck. This is an amazing space. The weather here is always nice and sunny, so you actually get to enjoy the outdoor space here. Here's looking at the view from the upper deck. And you walk down and you have direct access to this amazing shared garden. There is a wonderful basketball set over a nice deck. And also towards the back there is a nice area for greenery and for seating. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com to schedule your private tour. Thanks so much for looking.